And I sing my karakia because singing makes me happy. I can't sing, but I try. So ukutangi is a musical instrument made out of clay. So uku meaning clay, tangi meaning to cry. So you need to put a mauri into your uku for it to tangi. How I start is with karakia. Ko te pu te more te weu te aka te rea. We want a nice smooth round ball and some nice positive vibrations going in there as well. Comes under the whānau taonga puoro, chorus of the flutes. Hene raukatauri, it's where the sound comes from. My one doesn't want to tangi today. Anyone who's just not feeling calm and, I don't know, they could be frustrated or anything, to get one of these to go, you have to be in a toe space. It was predominantly played by wahine back in the rā. They used it for tō during grief to heal, and the sound of it is actually quite healing as well. It's that wailing sound, you know, at tangi when our puia, that wailing sound, this sound makes that sound.